Hey people, how's it going? Welcome to the channel and let's start with the 10th episode, which is the viewer special episode. So, friends, before we move on, what exactly is Smarter Lads? See, Smarter Lads is not a one person channel, it is a community of people who are all getting smarter. And today I have with me 4 smart lads who will tell you the facts. So, for today's viewer special episode, we have Smart Lad Vatsal, Smart Lad Trishan, Smart Lad Shrijan, and Smart Lad Shivank. So, let's start. Before we move on, the way these 4 smart lads have shared some facts with us, you, the watching smart lad, can do as well. Send your submissions at anmoldhingralive@gmail.com. And yes, don't forget to comment which fact you liked the most. Now, Smart Lad Vatsal will share some facts with us.
Hello everyone, I'm Vatsal Lakhotia and I'll be sharing a few facts today. Let's start with the first one. How many possible combinations are there in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube? There are 43 quintillion possible combinations in a cube, yet each of them can be solved in 20 moves or less. Here's the calculation. 43 quintillion means 43 followed by 18 zeros. The next fact is about the ostrich. The largest bird of the animal kingdom, ostrich, has large eyes. So large in fact that it is bigger than its own brain. Ostriches' eyes are the size of a billiard ball, while the brain is just 59.26 millimeters by 42.3 millimeters. Thank you and hope you enjoyed the facts.
Wow, that was very interesting. Now let's have a look at the facts Smart Lad Trishan has to share with us.
Hello, I'm Trishan and I'll share some unknown facts about our language, English. Be smarter with smarter lads. Do you know what is a pangram? I don't think so you know it. Okay, I'll give you a hint. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Any guesses? Okay, I'll tell you. A pangram is a sentence which includes all alphabets of English. Isn't that interesting? I bet so. Ooh. Do you know what is a ghost word? That sounds scary. Okay, I'll tell you. A ghost word is a word that doesn't even exist and is mistyped in the dictionary. Okay, I'll give you an example. Dolled. Now let's come to my introduction. Hi guys, I am Trishan Chaturvedi. You might know me, and you might know me after you know me. I'm a student, writer, baker, and debater. I hope you liked the facts I shared with you. Science Sonara and be smarter with smarter lads.
Well, that was something I did not know myself too. Now, Smart Lad Shrijan will share some facts with us.
What's poppin' gamers? This is Boomer Boy, and today I want to tell you something about Minecraft. Now, a lot of people play Minecraft, but if you have not bought Minecraft yet, here's a little tip. So, first thing I want to tell you is Java Edition and Bedrock Edition are like the two branches of Minecraft, where Java Edition is only supported on PCs and Macs and stuff like that. So yeah, it's based on Java language, whereas Bedrock Edition is actually based on C++ language, like it's made in C++. So due to this, there is no compatibility between Java Edition and C++ Edition, the Bedrock Edition. Also, I also want to mention that C++ Edition, aka Bedrock Edition, like it has so many more branches. Like it has Minecraft Pocket Edition, the Xbox One, I think, PS4. Now you see all of these versions are based on C++. So if your friends, for example, plays on a console like PS4 and one more person plays on Minecraft Pocket Edition, they can play together. But if you download Java Edition, yeah, no, you can't play with them. Thank you, Smarter Lads, for featuring me in your video. Subscribe to Smarter Lads, everyone.
Well, those were great facts. Now, Smart Lad Shivank will share with us some facts on gaming.
Talk about that when was this game made and how many people made it. This game was actually made in 2018 with a really small number of downloads, and this game was developed by a team of only 3 people. When did this game get popular and how? This game gained popularity in 2020 due to Twitch streamers and YouTubers. So some Twitch streamers started liking this game, so they started streaming it, and then other people watched their streams and then started playing this game. Actually, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, many people were free at home, so they thought of playing this game, so it became popular due to that also. So guys, thanks for watching Smart Lads, and you can also check out my YouTube channel for more gaming content, more gaming videos on Rangoon, and I play a game called Roblox. Thanks.
Well, those indeed were some awesome facts. Now, let's have a look at the answers to the previous challenge questions. In the first question, you had to find out the jackpot winner who recently lost all his money, and that is Sushil Kumar. In the second question, you had to find out the season which was not hosted by Amitabh Bachchan, and you also had to tell the person who hosted it. So season 3 was not hosted by Amitabh Bachchan and it was hosted by Shah Rukh Khan. Now let's have a look at the new challenge questions. For the first question, you need to find out who holds a record for solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in the least time. He beat Felix Zemdegs by 0.75 seconds and his nationality is Chinese. In the second question, you need to find out what is the shortest sentence of English. It is not a slang and is grammatically correct, and it consists of only one word. Leave your answers in the comments below, and the person with the quickest and correct response will be featured as winner in the next video. Now let's have a look at the winners. The person with the quickest and correct response is Pulkit Agarwal. Congratulations! And here are more smart lads who also answered the questions correctly. Vatsal Lakhotia, Shivang Banerjee, Vinny Banwari, the Quantum Cuber, and Divyankit Manchanda. Congratulations! And finally, here is the scoreboard.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, and here are 2 more videos that you can watch.